E kaunti ma Siaya kocha wayudo kanyo ni jodaka mago mabende wuok e kaunti ma Siaya okwa mar mondo migibigi wuog oko ne chenro mano mar ndikro kaachiel kod pogo lope mano mabende osebedo kadhi nyime e kaunti mano ma Siaya. Mai wach mabende ne owachi kod jang'ad bura mano maduong' e doho man maduong' ma Siaya mano Justice David Kimei mabende ne owacho ni chenro maket koda mano biro bedo kachakore ayanga juma mano makiny.
Because it has been realized that the bulk of the backlog of cases within our courts are made up of succession matters, most of which are contested. They take years and years, but she has seen it fit that instead of the other matters which have no contestations, it is good to allocate a day for them or a week so that the persons concerned will be able to be invited to come to court so that the process can be concluded. As pointed out by our Deputy Registrar here, Honorable Mkala, is that most of these uncontested succession matters are the ones where the family, through the representatives, have filed the succession matters. The same have been cassated, they have followed the due processes. The requisite form number 41, PA 41, has been issued. And what they were required to do was to come back after 6 months of the issuance of that grant, to come back to court for the purpose of confirming the grant, in which case then they will come with their family members, with the schedule of distribution, and then the estate is distributed. From there, the administrator or the administrators will now go and distribute the property of the deceased and come back and inform the court that they have done their task so that files can be closed.
Za cases za urithi, lakini tumejizatiti kama mahakama kuhakikisha tunazipunguza. Kesi 2000 ni zote ambazo zimefailiwa, hizo ni za succession ama kesi za urithi. Lakini vile vile mle ndani kuna zile ambazo tumezifunga na kuna zile ambazo hazijafungwa na wakati wake umefika wa kuweza kufungwa, lakini wananchi wenyewe walio file hawakuji kotini. Vile vile sila, kwa sababu ukishapata form 41 unafaa kusubiri baada ya miezi 6 uweze kuja mahakamani tena for confirmation. Lakini round hii tunasema hata kama miezi 6 haijaisha, lakini hakuna mvurutano baina ya watu ambao wanafaa kurithi, tafadhali kuja na tutaconfirm bora ulipata grant.